Dongguan XinGang Mold and Plastic Company was founded in Fenggang Town, Dongguan City in 1998, which is focusing on plastic mold and injection manufacture. XinGang Mold location borders on Shenzhen and Hong Kong, close to export port and easy transportation. Since company established, we are constantly hiring the person of outstanding ability, gathered highly qualified management team, experienced and skilled technical personnel. Besides, XinGang Mold has successfully certified for ISO 9001. XinGang Mold provides high-quality plastic mold for all customers at home and abroad, which with its leading process technology, strictly quality control, on-time delivery. Our products being widely applied in home appliances, auto, office automation, equipment, and so on. Being exported to global market, good graces by our customers. XinGang Mold always followed the concept of quality first, customer focus, continuous improvement, sustainable operation, and committed to supply top-class products and services. Specialty originated from relentless pursuit, focus, start from insistence of details. XinGang Mold business scope covers all-round service for customers, which including mold design, mold processing, and mold assembly, trial and injection molding. During design and processing, we adopt International Advantage CAD/CAM system. Make sure faster, higher quality molds. XinGang Mold owns top-class mold workshop, equipped with advanced precision processing machines, EX, fast 36,000 round per minute, high-precision, high-speed machine, medium and large CNC machining centers, Japan Sodic slow wire cuttings, EDM, Switzerland, Iroha fixture system, and so on. XinGang Mold pursue top quality between minimum tolerances in order to effectively make sure quality of products. Our company equipped various tonnage injection molding machines with single and double color to run mold trial and mass production. Animals will be automatic process test around 2 to 4 hours before loading. For quality control, our company input all kinds of quality test equipment such as the coordinate measurement, quadratic element, altimeter, hardness tester, and so on. Besides, we can supply FAI detection, CPK control. All of these processes provide reliable accordance to achieve high quality. World-class excellence in manufacturing technology, internationalization of tooling test process. We bring exhaustive work for XinGang Mold Company. If enterprise culture being treated as company soul, talent must be as cornerstone of this. As long as we have built completed management system, help our employees to establish career, guide all staff and company growing together based on diversity training, support all employees to realize their own value of life. XinGang Mold treat between contribution and customer winning, sustainable development as business strategy. All of us are firmly believe quality is the basis of company survival. Integrity is the foundation of enterprise. Facing today, we are working on creating. Looking ahead, we are full of confidence, filled with ideals and passion. With strong foundation, XinGang Mold is continuously working hard to foster a world-leading mold manufacturer company.